Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a Modelones gel polish review, and it comes in this little box, and there are 8 gel polishes in this little box, and they are the mini ones, and it comes with this little information book, product listings, what they sell, how to use gel polish, usage for cat eye gel, how to use chameleon magnetic gel, how to use hollow gel, application steps, notice, and here where you could contact them. So that is the little book it comes with. Here's how it looks. So remove this little thing, and here are all the 8 polishes, and they are the mini ones. Each bottle is 7 ml, and they feel lightweight. When I picked them up, they feel lightweight. And it comes with the Swatches stickers where you can put it on top. So let me move these aside and swatch each and one of them. Oh yeah, and they are UV LED. You could curate UV LED lamps. So the first one is here, number 8304. And is this very pretty, like purple color? Looks like a wild berry purple. And these are thermal gel polishes, so I will show you the colors they change to. Of course, since this is a fake nail, I didn't put my base coat, but when you're applying it onto your nails, you have to apply gel base coat, cure, and then the gel polish colors, 2 to 3 layers until you reach the full opacity that you want. Cure each layer, and then you apply the gel top coat. So here is the first layer. Pop it into the lamp, and I'm using this mini lamp here. So here is number 8304. Very pretty pink color when it's in hot temperature. And then I got water here to show you guys the differences. Okay, this one has ice and this is hot water. You can see the change. It's very pretty wild berry in cold water, and now in hot water it turns to this pretty bubblegum pink. I'm gonna show you halfway the differences. There go the 2 different colors. Super pretty. I love that ombre. So I'm gonna swatch all of them out for you, and then I will show you the differences in cold and hot water. So I'm not gonna show in the video this long. I'm not gonna make the video long and show you each application. I'm just gonna show it to you guys already swatched and show you the differences. This is number 8310. And like I said, it's like a purple in the bottle, a brownish purple in the bottle. So I'm gonna show it to you in cold temperature. It's like a pretty grape color. And then when it's in hot water, it's turning into this like almost neon retro reddish pink color. Super pretty. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you one more time. This is in cold, and this is in hot. That is so awesome how it changes color like that. So here is the swatch for number 8321. In the bottle, it is a purple with blue glitters, as you can see. It has small and regular size blue hexes, as you can see in the swatch. So I'm going to show you in cold and hot water. So this is cold water here, and its cold state is purple with blue glitters. And then in the hot temperature, it turns into this pretty like light blue. Reminds me of the ocean with the blue glitters. So here's in cold, and here is in hot. Super pretty. I love this color as well. This is how number 8312 looks when it's in hot temperature, and this is how it looks in the bottle. It's this very pretty, like reddish pinkish, like a raspberry color with some shimmer and purple. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I'm gonna show you guys in hot and cold temperatures. Okay, so the first one here is cold. That is how it looks cold, and this is how it looks when it's in hot water. It's this very pretty, like lilac purple shade, and then you see the shimmer. Oh, the shimmer is in blue actually. Oh, sorry, I wasn't in frame. Shimmer is actually in blue. It looks very pretty. That looks like a pretty marble design there. So let me show you in cold water and then in hot water. Super, super pretty. That is number 8312. So here is the swatch for number 8307. And that's how it looks in the hot temperature. And when it's cold, it's this raspberry shade color with gold hexes. So the first one is cold water. And as you can see, is this very pretty raspberry pink color with the gold hexes. And I think it does have purple hexes. Yeah, I have purple tiny hexes. I missed it in the first time. Okay, now in hot water, it will turn into this beautiful pink, neon hot pink color. And that's how it is. And you can see that the gold hexes pop even more, and the purple ones too. Very, very pretty shade. I'm loving all of these colors in this little kit here, in this little set. It goes raspberry and then to like bright neon pink. This is the swatch for gel polish number 14. And this is in its hot stage, which is like a grayish purplish. I'm gonna show you how it looks in the bottle, and that is in its cold stage. So let's see the magic in action. So this is cold water. Like a dusty purple, a dark dusty purple. And then in hot water, and turns into this grayish with like a tint of purple. So this next one here is number 8305. This is in its hot stage, and this is how it looks in the bottle in its cold stage. It's like a blue purple, like a blueberry, or blurple, however you want to say it. Okay, I'm gonna show you the two different colors. When it's cold, it's the blueberry color, more like in the berry side with tint of blue. And then when it's hot, it turns into a light purple, like a lavender. So here it's in cold, and here's in hot. And that is number 8305. And the next one is this like brown color that is in the hot stage. And in the bottle, it looks like this, like another berry one, another berry color. I just noticed this set has a lot of like purplish berry colors. So this one reminds me of like a wild berry fall color when it's in its cold stage, as you can see right here. And then when it's hot, it turns into that brownish color. This is something different. And it looks super cool. This one will be perfect for fall time. And there you can see the difference of the two shades. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link down below this product if you guys are interested in it. And there will be a coupon code for 60% off, and that ends the 31st. So if you want to take advantage of this code, you have to purchase really fast. And if you watch this video, I have one other set here for a giveaway. So if you guys are interested in it, just write enter me. And I'm sorry, I only could ship these polishes to USA only. Mines are here, as you can see. This is an extra one that I purchased for the giveaway. So if you guys are interested, just write enter me. And I want to say thank you for always watching my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.